Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. दक्ष कैमरा ऑन करो जल्दी से.
Okay, ma'am.
Daksh, switch on your. Everyone, switch on your cameras quick.
Ma'am, my camera is
Ma'am, I
open.
can't
अरे
open.
Daksh
Ma'am,
दिख रहा
I
है
am
मुझे.
having
Just
network
keep your
issue.
mic off. Keep your mic off. Which chapter we were doing? Patterns खत्म हो गया
Ma'am,
हमारा.
first chapter series
Completed.
No, ma'am. Some questions are left.
जल्दी से PDF बना के भेजो मुझे. जल्दी से दक्ष. Within a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am sending to you.
सबको नहीं भेजनी है, खाली दक्ष को भेजने दो. Open your cameras quickly. Utkarsh, Athar Singh, Ayushi, open your cameras quick.
Ma'am, making the PDF.
जल्दी से quickly. सबको नहीं बनानी, दक्ष भेज रहा है ना. उत्कर्ष, अथर्व, हमाद, open your camera. Jasmine, open your camera quickly. हाँ.
Ma'am, I can't open them. I am having network issue.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा. नेटवर्क इशू आपका तब भी उतना ही लगता है, कैमरा ऑन करके भी उतना ही लगेगा. डोंट बेफूल अदर्स टीचर्स कि आप बेटा मुझे पता है डेटा किस में कितना लगता है, ठीक है. एंड जूम मीटिंग हार्डली टेक्स एनी डेटा. सो ओपन योर कैमरा. क्या नेटवर्क इशू?
Ma'am, can I send you the PDF that we have to start the questions?
कहाँ भेजी है? मुझे तो नहीं मिली.
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Excuse me. Yes, what about Faiz, Hamad, the third Saxena? Open करो कैमरा quick.
Ma'am, 3 chapters are coming.
Okay, I know very well. Open your cameras quickly. अथर्व, उत्कर्ष, हमाद. मैं क्या किससे पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं? Except Ayushi, I'm not teaching anyone. Yes, कौन सा network issue आ रहा है उत्कर्ष? I don't think so. There is any network issue. Faiz को तो I will remove him. अथर्व, सक्सेना and हमाद, camera open करो जल्दी. I don't want to teach the dummies.
Ma'am, I am making PDF.
क्यों बना रहे हो बेटा? हमाद दक्ष भेज रहा है. Don't make the PDF. हमाद will send. Oh sorry, Daksh will send. Don't make it. Hamad, open your camera. Don't make a PDF. He will do.
Ma'am, I am sending the PDF from which questions we have to start. Till, ma'am, the chapter.
Have we
And
started, beta? Have we started this?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, I got it. ठीक है, दक्ष तुम ही भेजो. We have to start from question number where this we have done. ये circle वाला हमने कहाँ तक कर लिया था? Ayushi, can you tell me?
ma'am, we have done till 24th question.
We have done till question 24. ये तो क्या भेजा है मुझे? क्या 13, 14 भेजा है? Okay, Daksh, I got it. ठीक है, Daksh, I got it. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have sent from the.
I got it. Aditya Pathak and Athar Saxena, open your camera or else I'll throw you out.
Ma'am, we have to do from 22.
Okay, we have to start from 22.
No, ma'am, we have to start from 25.
Okay, all right.
No, ma'am, 22.
अच्छा चुप.
Ma'am, I know very well. I
Stop.
was in last class.
Enough. Stop shouting. Stop fighting.
I know.
अब मैं बताऊं हमाद और दक्ष दोनों को. What do you think of yourself? Both of you. started shouting, we have not done, I do well, I know well. Only I know well. That's it. Where they are fighting, like, is it a market or what? Okay, let's start it. This was here. This is the question. This is the problem. 24th number. उससे पिछला भेजा ही नहीं है दक्ष. Very good. वहीं तक भेजा है, right? चलो, let's start from 24th itself. See here the 24th question, everyone. As you can see my board also as well. Are you able to see my board also? Let me spotlight myself first. Oh. Okay. You can see my board also as well as the screen also. So I'll continue from both the sides. बेटा मैंने बताया था नहीं how to hold a pen and to check कि क्या use होगा इसमें.
Yes, ma'am, in non-verbal reasoning.
Yes, you hold a pen and see ये कैसे जा रहा है. Like for example, first one is there. ठीक है, अब आप first वाला अगर you put down, if you use your pen, suppose I'm using this tool, I'm using this arrow tool. ठीक है, अब जो फर्स्ट वाला है ये हमारा कहाँ जा रहा है, मैं इस एरो को देख रही हूँ. लेट्स सी दिस एरो हियर. फर्स्ट इट इज गोइंग डाउन, इट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, इट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस. एरो इधर गया तो इधर से इधर टिल्ट हुआ, इधर से इधर टिल्ट हो गया. तो कितना डिग्री मूव किया, क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज? ऐसे था और ऐसे पीछे की साइड आया. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एरो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एरो. I'm talking about this arrow. In first one, arrow is like this. In second one, arrow becomes like this. So it moves like this to this. How much degrees does it move? How much degrees does it move? Arrow कितनी degree move किया first to second? Oh, sorry. I see the answers, beta. Sorry, I saw the answers. In first one, it is down, and in second one, it is like this corner. And in third वाला arrow किधर आ रहा है फिर? It is moving like this here. And in fourth one, it is coming over. नहीं. It is coming over here, yes. And in the fifth one, it is coming this side. Yes. Now let's check it how it is moving, how this arrow is moving. Just hold your pen. Arrow की मैं tip ले रही हूँ. I'm taking the tip of this arrow like this. Then it moves like anti-clockwise direction. First of all, which type of direction is it using? It is using anti-clockwise direction for arrow. Arrow के लिए कौन सा use कर रहा है? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. ठीक है? This is down. अब ये कितना डिग्री मूव किया यहाँ से यहाँ तक आने के लिए? How much degrees does it move? This arrow? Yes, 90. As I can see, Ayushi is saying 90. Very good. 90 degree. From here to here, how much degrees does it move? From here to here, how much degrees does it move? कितनी डिग्री? मैंने बताया था ना 90 डिग्री और 45 डिग्री कैसे चेक करते हैं. From here to here, like this pen is there and I'm moving this pen to this. How much degrees does it move? No one knows. Very bad. Are you able to see my board also, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. What?
Sky, बेटा DPSC लगा लोगे तो ये नहीं है कि I cannot see that Sky is sitting over there. ठीक है Sky, open your camera quickly. देखो बेटा, how much degrees does it move from here to here? From here to here, how much degrees does it move? कितनी डिग्री मूव कर रहा है ये? हाँ Sky, what?
45.
Yes, Amal, very good. 45 degrees it moves. अब 45 ये हो गया. अब ये यहाँ से ऐसे मूव कर रहा है. देखो मैंने बताया था. If I told this in this class 90 degrees or this also. This is 90 degree also. This is also 90 degree. Where is it making L like this and it is coming like this. तो ये L बना रहा है. Now it is moving how many degrees? 90 degrees. From here to here it is moving again 45 degrees if you can see. Like the tip is here like here. It is becoming like this. Now how much will it move? Now how much will it move? Tell me. अब कितना move करेगा ये?
45.
No. See here. What is the pattern?
90 degrees.
90, 45. Now it will be 90 degrees. And what is the movement of 90 degree if it is here? it will be like this down. So arrow down वाले options choose कर लो कि कौन से हैं. Just see here which is the arrow down option. See here which is the arrow down option. ये वाला A वाला तो नहीं है, ठीक है. B possible है, C possible है, and let's see the D1. D B नहीं possible है. So A and D तो possible नहीं है. Now let's see B और D. B और D में कहाँ difference दिख रहा है आपको? Which is the difference?
Ma'am,
Dot
I
में भी
think B
difference
is
है.
the correct answer.
बेटा thinking is think वाले में problem नहीं है. The reason should be valid. Okay. Now see here in the 3 part. अब देखो इधर ध्यान से. Let's see the what is about this line. इस वाली arrow की चलो dot की बात करते हैं. First, the dot was here in the corner, top right corner, top left corner. Then it is coming here. This dot is coming here. Then the dot is coming here. Then the dot is coming here. And the dot is coming here. So let's talk about this dot only. मैं इस point की जो tip है, इस marker की जो tip है, वो point ले रही हूँ. Point here, point here, point here, point here, point here. तो ये कैसा move कर रहा है? It is moving in a clockwise. ये कैसे move कर रहा है? Clockwise, like this. This dot is moving like a clockwise. First it is here, then it becomes here, then it goes here, then it goes here, then it goes here. अब इसके बाद ये next कहाँ जाएगा? यहाँ पर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये choose कर लो B और D में से कि यहाँ पर किस पे है.
Ma'am, C or D.
C option. So Daksh, I think your thinking
Ma'am,
becomes
C.
strong here. है ना Daksh? Your thinking becomes strong here, and the correct answer is what? C.
C.
C is the correct option.
Ma'am, B.
C.
Okay,
Beta
ma'am.
dot is moving, rotating like clockwise. वो middle में कभी भी नहीं आ रही है. It is not coming in the middle in any of the cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Any issues?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay. I hope everyone understood it well. Now 25th question. See the 25th question, everyone. See this 25th.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I have done this answer and tick.
See this 25th. Find a missing number if the same rule is followed in 3 figures. Same rule follow हुआ है इसमें. Just see here. What is the rule followed here? 7, 2, 3. How they are related? Tell me how they are related. Anyone
Ma'am,
know?
please let me in. I am joining with my laptop.
Daksh Gangwar, I'll throw you out. From both the numbers. From both the from laptop also. And anyone knows, you can type in chat box. Even you can raise your hands if you know the answer of the 25th one. Okay, Ayushi.
Ma'am, answer will be 30 because when we will multiply 7 2s are 14, then 14 3s is 42, then 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Then
Very
ma'am,
good.
in third one minus will be cutted, and 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. So
So
answer will be
minus 30 or plus 30? Which will be the answer?
Ma'am, plus 30,
30.
plus 30.
Plus 30. Beta, as you remember the rule, do you remember the rule in my multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done in first
Daksh,
chapter. That
stop it. Stop it, Daksh. Enough is enough. Let me also speak. Either you teach the class or I may leave the meeting and make you the host. Shall I do this? Ishu, open your camera. Now look here, everyone. Look here. What is here? When you multiply odd number of, see, when you multiply minus odd numbers, you are multiplying odd minus. Number of minuses, if you are multiplying even number of minus, then the answer will be plus. You know this math rule? And if you are multiplying odd
Yes,
number minus negative, then it will be the negative. ये रूल पता है या नहीं पता है?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
काउंट
ma'am.
कर लेते हैं हम माइनस साइंस काउंट कर लेते हैं we are
sir
multiplying
has told.
even numbers of minus, even number of minus, then there will be even, and if we are multiplying odd number of minus, then there will be minus sign. All right, understood? Wait a second.
Yes, ma'am, sir has told.
Yes,
ठीक है,
ma'am.
चलो अब इसमें देखो क्वेश्चन कौन सा है ये 7 2s are 14 although she told the correct reason. Very good. As she told 7 2s are we from 7 to 2 we are multiplying. 7 से 2
14
तक आने में we are multiplying and we are sorry नहीं 7 plus 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. We are multiplying these numbers. अब हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? इधर 5 को -2 से -3, इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 -2 -3. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Answer will be obviously 30. But there is one negative 30 also. So how we will decide whether it will be negative or positive? Count the number of minus signs. -1, 2. How many minus are there? Even or odd?
Ma'am, 2.
How many even or odd?
Ma'am, even.
Even है तो प्लस
Ma'am, that's why it would
even
be
होगा तो प्लस
positive.
आता, odd number होते तो ये -30 आता. Okay. Okay. Find the
Yes,
next
ma'am,
number
sir
in
has
the
told.
series. Yes. Very good. If the sir has told you, very good. I hope you
Ma'am, I have
remember.
done in
Sir तो
chapter
बता
1.
देंगे बेटा, but you should remember it also.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
remember it very well.
And I will throw you out if you speak unnecessarily next time in the class. Okay, Daksh? Okay, see this question now. The question is, just wait a minute. This one, 26. Find the missing next terms in the given series. You have to find out the next terms in the given series. What is the series here? Series is P, M, T, O, O, Q. Okay, N, Q, N, N, Q, N, and M, S, K. This is the series here. Let me stop
Yes,
sharing
ma'am.
this because it's of no use. Verbal reasoning में we need it. We need the picture. It's better to see my video instead of that. This is the question here. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
How to see such type of questions? एक तो बेटा हो सकता है इनके बीच में एक relation हो. And first we will try to find out what is the relation between this, this, this and this. How they are related. देखो, let's see the first related. First letter. P से पहले आता है O. P -1 is O. O, P, Q, R, S, T. ठीक
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
O से पहले आता है N. Okay. We subtracted. N से पहले आता है N. ठीक है? P, O, N, M. M, N, O, P. As you can see, first वाला देखो, सिर्फ first वाला. M, N, O, P. M से पहले क्या आता है?
Ma'am, L.
L. So first letter will be of the series L. और अभी जो हमने sharing, let me share it. The screen first. See here. इसमें L वाला option कौन सा है? All are having
Ma'am,
L.
4.
All are having L. इसमें options में देखो सबके पास L है. So we will not
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this one. ठीक है? अब see. Wait. अब let's see the second one. M के बाद चलो सबका L आ गया. अब ये वाला हम रब कर देते हैं because it's not required. L के बाद it's not required. ठीक है? अब M के बाद let's see the second one. Second वाला M के पहले आता है N. M, N, O, P, Q. P के बाद Q आता है. Q के बाद S कब आता है? R बीच में. As you can see, N, A, we are leaving one letter in between. Now tell me which letter we will leave in between now. R के बाद कौन? S के बाद कौन सा? S के बाद कौन सा लेटर छोड़ोगे?
LUH.
बेटा आंसर मैं नहीं पूछ रही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am, D.
Keep your mind. That's enough is enough now. Let others also study. जिनकी समझ नहीं आते हैं questions. I know there are students sitting, they don't know कि इसे solve कैसे करते. That's why they are here. If you know, then please leave the class, Daksh. If you already know. Now look here. S के बाद which letter we have to leave?
U. Ma'am, U.
S के बाद which U leave करोगे? S के बाद U leave
Ma'am,
करोगे?
T.
Question तो सुन लो कम से कम मेरा.
T.
Ma'am, T.
T.
Ma'am,
T
T.
के बाद it will come U. अब when we will see the option which is LU here. Which
Ma'am, D
option is?
option is the correct.
मैं एक मिनट रुकना. Just let me throw him out. Just 2 minutes wait करो.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No. You will be out. Enough is enough. If he knows the answers, so what did he think of himself? I don't know. देखो बेटा, ऐसे ही क्लास में परेशान करते, सारे क्लासेस में ऐसे ही करता है. हाँ? Did he do this in all the periods?
Let me speak, ma'am. Every teacher calls him.
LU. LU इसमें से आप चेक कर लो बेटा कि किस वाले में आ रहा है. Which one it is coming? Which option it is coming? LU?
Ma'am, D.
Option
Ma'am,
number
D.
D.
Ma'am,
Yes,
option
very
D.
good.
Ma'am, D.
LU. So D option is the correct option. ठीक है, बाकी LW है, LV है, वो भी नहीं आएगा. लेट्स चेक. अब वैसे हमारा क्वेश्चन यही फिनिश हो जाता है, आपको आगे चेक करने की नीड भी नहीं है. ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी लेट्स चेक इट वेदर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. अगर बेटा एग्जाम में हुआ है तो कभी भी ऐसे नहीं करना. डोंट डू नो, बिकॉज डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम. ओके, डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन शेयरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सी इफ इट इज QRST, के के बाद देखो KLMN, N के बाद OP we are leaving Q, Q से पहले RS we are leaving T. That means we are leaving two numbers from back side. ठीक है, L से पहले it will come P, J, K. If you see here, ठीक है, दोनों आउट हैं. क्या नाम है इसका, हम्माद also and Daksh also. Both of them disturb a class lot. Both of them. ऐसा लगता है सिर्फ ये पढ़ रहे क्लास में और कोई है ही नहीं. L से पहले which one will be there? IJKL. LU क्या था? LU क्या था उसमें बेटा? I forgot. LUH था ना? हाँ. H,
LUH.
I आता है, J आता है, उसके बाद K is mentioned there. Yes, that means our answer is correct. Okay. चलो next question now.
Yes, ma'am.
The last one is left. Now let me share the last one. Let's see the last one. This is the नहीं last थोड़ी है, ये तो 27th है. हाँ, 27th one. Understood? Any problem to anyone? If there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Which of the following will complete the given figure series? See here. Let's see this. अभी इसमें बीच में कुछ missing है. You can see my board also as well. अब वही मैंने बोला था बेटा, सारे के सारे आप चूज मत करा करो. ये कैसे मूव हो रहा है या वो कैसे मूव हो रहा है. Choose any one thing. There is one square. Choose that square. वो कैसे चल रहा है. This square. This is a four-sided figure. First the square is here. First the square is this corner. सिर्फ स्क्वायर देख रही हूँ अभी मैं. ना स्टार देखो, ना सर्कल देखो, ना क्रॉस देखो. बस मैंने क्या देखा है? स्क्वायर देखा है. There is something missing here. I will make कि missing क्या होगा. But I will just make it. मैं इसे empty छोड़ रही हूँ. बना करके empty छोड़ दो इसको. Okay? सुशांत, any problem बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. I am asking that did you explain us coding and decoding?
अभी नहीं. I didn't explain you right अभी तक. I haven't
Okay,
explained. We will just finish this. मैं जल्दी quickly I want to explain it. ये बीच में दक्ष इतना disturb करता है, so that I can't explain you in between. बस हर चीज का आंसर मुझे पता है. there are so many of you not able to solve these type of questions. तभी तो मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. अगर आप खुद कर सकते हो तो why am I here? Why should I sit here? Why should I teach you this reasoning if you are able to do it yourself? है ना? I know many of you don't know how to overcome these problems. देखो अब ये स्क्वायर यहाँ पर है. मुझे पता है जो इजी होते हैं वो तो मैं खुद ही नहीं समझाती हूँ. Now the square is here. In the next one, square is coming here. The next square is coming here, and in the next one, the square is coming here. As you can see from the last three, how this square is moving. This square is moving clockwise. How this square is moving clockwise. ऐसे ही ये square, if it is coming here, if it has to move clockwise, तो ये यहाँ पर कहाँ पर आएगा? ये sky. Can you tell me in which column does it come? In this one, square कहाँ पर आएगा? क्या हुआ sky? You're not able to open your mic.
And this, ma'am.
Where?
And third one.
There, third one, this one. 1, 2, 3. Beta, we always count from here. 1, 2,
And
3,
this one.
4. Okay, I'm marking numbers. 1 है ये 2 है, ये 3 है, ये 4 है. मुझे बताओ स्क्वायर कौन से में आएगा?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Very good.
Ma'am, one.
Ma'am, because ma'am it is, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
one.
Yes,
ma'am.
सुशांत करेक्ट. ठीक है, अब मैं नंबरिंग कर दी. अब आप लोग मुझे ऐसे बता देना. चलो स्क्वायर फाइनलाइज हो गया. Let's take another number. Let's take another symbol.
Ma'am,
Let's take a
I
star.
know the answer.
हमाद, अभी मैंने दक्ष को बाहर किया था. You were also out for the same reason because you are speaking in between. Those who don't know the other answer, please let them study. Doing the same thing again and again. If you know the answer, why don't you leave the class? If you सब कुछ आता है तुम लोग को, तो क्लास में क्यों बैठे हो बेटा? Okay, look here. Ishu, now see. Ishu, now you will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking about star. Now you will tell me the answer. First, the star is here. Okay. We don't know about this one. Now the chance comes to you. Okay, Ishu. Here it is. There is no star. But here in the third one, the star comes here. In this one, a star comes here. In this one, star comes after a square. Yes. Now see, star is rotating like this. इस बार in last के 3 में देखो. Here, 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 and now where will be the star if it is rotating like this?
Ma'am, at the second number.
At second number, because it is also like square की next जो है वो star है. अब ऑप्शंस में देख लो, ऐसा कहाँ पर दिया हुआ है? किस ऑप्शन में ऐसा दिया हुआ है? स्क्वायर एंड स्टार. स्क्वायर एंड स्टार. हाँ, ऑप्शन बी में. यस, ऑप्शन बी में, तो ऑप्शन बी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. अब आगे देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, नीड ही नहीं है आगे देखने की, क्योंकि बाकी किसी में नहीं दिया हुआ ऐसा, किसी और में दिया हुआ ऐसा. ऐसा होता तो वी चेक द फर्दर, बट अपने आप ही आंसर आ गया. हाँ, स्काई वाज सेइंग समथिंग.
स्क्वायर में ही हो गया था मैम.
वो स्क्वायर में ही हो गया.
हाँ, स्क्वायर में ही हो गया था.
स्टार की भी देखने की नीड नहीं है, बट बेटा थोड़ा सा अगर हम 25% क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तो हम 50% कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा चेक और कर लेते हैं, है ना, सो दैट हम कंफर्म हो जाए कि यस दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Okay, 28. Find the missing number in the given series. Okay, 86, 88. Then the question is 42. Then it is 44. 20. I suppose it is an easy question. Everyone knows. 22. As you look up to the series, you will be able to know what is there. Look here. Yes, this one is the easy one. Can you tell me the series? The reason it is given clearly, but नहीं, एक जगह गलत आ रही है. हाँ, आ गया. Anyone who knows the series may raise your hands. This one is the easy one. लग रही है वो थोड़ी सी difficult है, but it is an easy one. Open your camera.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I also know.
Ahmad, tell the answer. हाँ, पहले कैमरा ऑन करो. बिना कैमरा के मैं बात ही नहीं करती. Ahmad, I don't talk to you if you are not switching on your camera.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ahmad, open your camera. नहीं ओपन करना है तो don't speak. Ishu, tell the answer.
Ma'am, in the last 2 digits I confused.
Last 2 numbers you are confused. Why?
Ma'am, first I think that there will be 86, 4 plus, then 88, then minus 46, then 42, then plus 4, 44, and in that last 2 digits I confused.
अच्छा, आप क्या कह रहे हो? जैसे कि 86 minus 2, 88. 88 में कितना? What you will do here in 88? What you are saying here?
Ma'am, 46. Ma'am, minus 46.
6. Okay, then minus 2.
Ma'am, then
minus 24. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये तो कोई नहीं बन रहा है. Anybody else who knows the answer? Raise your hands. This is not the pattern. बेटा अच्छा, सब जगह सिमिलैरिटी नहीं दिख रही है, तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो दिख रहा है. The whole pattern is not coming similar. और मैंने एक और बात बताई थी. If it is increasing rapidly or decreasing rapidly, use multiply and divide. And if it is decreasing or increasing slowly, then use the subtraction. अगर आप subtraction देखो, ये increase rapidly हो रहा है ना, 86 एकदम से 22 बन गया है ना, 44, तो use divide instead of doing minus and addition and subtraction. Use the subtraction. Use the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, in this series there is one thing common, that it is coming with plus 2, that 86 plus 2, 88, 42 plus 2, 40, 44,
Okay,
20
alright.
plus 2, 22.
Okay, very good. We observe one thing that from here, not पूरा pattern तो नहीं, आपको ऐसे बेटा ऐसे hints मिलते हैं हमें धीरे धीरे. अभी ये what he say मैम मुझे पूरा तो नहीं दिख रहा है, but he is saying plus 2 I'm getting. Yes, very good, you are correct. Just let me share the next link. Wait. This is 5th period. Okay. Join at 11:20. ठीक है. Yes. Look here. ठीक है. इतना जो बताया, इतना जो समझ आ रहा है, you are right. Very good. At least आपने कुछ तो observe किया. And what about others? What do you observe? Ayushi, open your camera, बच्चे. How will I come to know you are able to understand or not? मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई है ही नहीं. मुझे सिर्फ यहाँ पे 6 students दिख रहे हैं, 4-5 students. That's it.
minus 20. Ma'am, I have observed that, ma'am, it is, ma'am, first, ma'am, minus 40, ma'am, then, ma'am, minus 20.
हाँ. Speak again, Sky. What you are saying?
Ma'am, I have observed that, ma'am, first, ma'am, 80 minus, ma'am, 40, then, ma'am, 42, ma'am,
हाँ.
and, ma'am, then, ma'am, 40 minus 20.
बेटा
So, ma'am,
ऐसे
20,
आपने
ma'am.
जो बताया मुझे बिल्कुल ठीक बताया. इनका और इसका, इसका और इसका, इसका और इसका रिलेशन तो पता चल गया. अब ट्राई टू फॉर्म द रिलेशन लाइक दिस, skipping लाइक दिस. ऐसे कुछ रिलेशन बन रहा है. देखो, जो ये रिलेशन बताया ये बिल्कुल
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
बताया था. अब इसमें आपको कोई रिलेशन दिख रहा है फ्रॉम
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know.
Yes.
I know.
Wait, not no.
Yes, ma'am, I
Yes,
know.
Daksh.
Ma'am, I know.
Sushant, you're behaving like Daksh.
Ma'am, these all are
Sushant, you're
dividing by
behaving like
2.
Daksh. हाँ, Daksh, now you
Ma'am,
speak.
these are ma'am 2 factors.
These are
Sorry,
two
ma'am.
factors.
Ma'am, these are factors of 2.
No.
These all.
You cannot say factors of 2. This is not the correct statement. Ishu, can you tell?
Ma'am, I observed that they are 88, 44, and 22.
Huh. So what you observe, what is the common in that? Yes, Sky, now you can tell me. यहाँ तो +2, +2, +2 is pattern here. What is the pattern here? Above. Yes, Aditya. I'm glad that Aditya spoke up. Huh. Yes, good.
Ma'am, when we divide 88 by 42, ma'am, the answer is coming 44.
Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Yes. Leaving, skipping 1, 1, it is +2, +2, +2. And skipping 1, 1, it is divided by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So, if we will skip one number here, it will be 11 here. And 22, the next number will be +2. है ना? ऐसा ही है ना? Next number will be +2 and skipping 1 there is divided by 2. So 22 + 2 will be 24. What is the correct option? 24 is the correct option. Got
Ma'am,
it?
but it is not.
But, ma'am, here is
24 नहीं
But
है.
it is not. Yes, ma'am.
Let me check it. 86 के बराबर वाला है. फिर इसका upcoming है 42. Upcoming it will be. अच्छा 82. अच्छा इन दोनों में रिलेशन नहीं आ पाया. Wait a minute. The next number इसके next नहीं आएगा. जो ये रिलेशन आ रहा है, ये just coming skipping 1. एक नंबर छोड़कर and one leaving one number, and after leaving one number there will be divided by 2. That will be 11. ठीक है. अच्छा 11 में से आप 2 माइनस करो. हाँ सॉरी 11 में से 2 माइनस करो. It is coming next. एक छोड़कर leaving this number 11 minus 2 will be 9. 9 is the correct answer. 9 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
नहीं अंडरस्टैंड कर पाए. देखो 86 एक और पैटर्न बन रहा है बेटा. एक तो ये वाला है 86, 88. ठीक है, ये बराबर में है. देखो ये जस्ट एडजेसेंट है, ये इसका एडजेसेंट है. जो +2 हो रहा है वो एडजेसेंट वालों का हो रहा है. एक लीव कर रहा है. एडजेसेंट लीविंग, एडजेसेंट लीविंग, एडजेसेंट लीविंग. अब लीव करना है. ये जो 11 आया था उसके बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? लीविंग करने के बाद इन दोनों में यहाँ से जो भी आप माइनस करोगे, -2 करोगे, यहाँ पे आंसर 11 आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 11 आएगा ये पता है ना. ये तो कंफर्म हो गया 11 आएगा यहाँ पर. देखो इधर, लेट मी देखो यहाँ पर 11 आएगा. ये समझ आया या नहीं आया? 22 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 11. यहाँ पर 11 आएगा. अब 11 ये दो है, इन दो इसे माइनस के कौन से नंबर को अगर हम +2 करेंगे, कौन से नंबर को हम +2 करेंगे कि आंसर 11 आए? किस नंबर को आप +2 करोगे कि 11 आएगा? Yes, Sushant. Yes, Sushant.
24.
Ma'am,
9.
9. So answer will be 9.
Ma'am, 9.
Yes, 9 will be the answer. 9 plus 2 is 11. Understood? अब समझ आया? अब समझ आया या अभी भी नहीं आया? 11 will be the answer. Oh, sorry, 9 will be the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
This is some good question. This type of questions will come. Let's start the next question. Question number 29. Select the फिर से verb non-verbal आ गया है. Select a figure from the options which will continue the same series. चलो. Now first we are seeing there is one arrow, there is one square at the top. फिर उसमें एक opposite direction में arrow आ गया है. उसको जो option square का था वो upside down हो गया. हो गया या नहीं? Second में फिर upside down हो गया. It is upside down again in the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, zoom in नहीं होता है इसमें. हाँ, it is there. Yeah, now I think you can see the problem easily. See, it is upside. अब वो वाला जो square है वो down हो गया है. Then it is upside. Then it is down. अब square वाला ऊपर आना चाहिए. In which square is upside?
All of them.
All of them. Very good. Very good. Now let's check this arrow. Arrow up, arrow down. Arrow up. Now arrow will be down. In which of the following arrow is down?
मैम ABC.
बी में तो नहीं है
Ma'am,
बेटा.
ABC.
बी में तो नहीं. बी में नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट बट इट इज बिकॉज नॉट इन द सेकंड पोजीशन. पोजीशन रॉन्ग है. तो ए और सी में से कोई भी पॉसिबल है. नाउ सी द सर्कल अप, सर्कल इज डाउन. नाउ द सर्कल शुड बी अप. सर्कल इज अप हियर आल्सो एंड सर्कल इज अप हियर आल्सो. नाउ वी विल चेक दिस एरो. नाउ दिस curve figure. This curve figure. Curve figure is up. Now the curve figure should be down. Here curve figure is not down, so this will not be the answer. The correct option will be
A.
understood. One by one we check it. We check it one by one. Daksh, क्या problem है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask from the reasoning exam.
हाँ, tell me with what?
Ma'am, in the last previous year, ma'am, the reasoning paper comes in a fully objective only.
Yes,
In
it
the
will
Google
always
form.
be an objective. Reasoning is always be in objective.
So, ma'am, in
ABCD
this year
form.
also.
Every time, beta, because reasoning comes in competitive exams. Okay, and competitive exams are always in the type of options only. Competitive
Ma'am,
exams.
MCQs.
Huh? MCQs? Yes, MCQs form.
Excuse
See
me,
the
ma'am.
next question. Let's now. Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the reasoning exam will be on or like the Google form on the Google.
Beta,
only?
it's not
Or like
compulsory
be
like it
coming
will
out
be
for
in
the
Google form. It is not
of
compulsory. It will be in Google form only. Okay. If you are giving offline exams, then it may not be in Google forms. ठीक है, अगर offline दे रहे हो, it will not be in Google forms. It will be like your normal ABCD question is given and you have to tick the correct answer like that. But yeah,
Ma'am,
but
like
it will be
GK.
objective. It is confirmed anytime, चाहे offline हो, चाहे online हो, reasoning will always be in objectives. Okay, this is confirmed. Objectives ही आते हैं, reasoning never comes in like detailed one. Reasoning is actually mental ability. Have I given you one question? Have I given you one question like 4 plus 4 वाला ये वाला question आपको दिया था मैंने करने के लिए? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus.
Yes, ma'am.
दिया था मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
ये दिया था question? Yes. And what you answered here? 5. बेटा जब आप इसे आप ऑप्शंस में करने बैठोगे ना, ऑप्शनल एग्जाम आएगा ना आपके सामने, तो इसमें पता है आपको ऑप्शंस क्या दिए होंगे? जो आपने सबसे पहले मार्क किया था 4 5 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 21. सॉरी, हाँ, क्या किया था आपने? 4 4 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 4 5. C option will be 4 3 1 13. 4 13 and 17. ये ऑप्शंस दिए होंगे, ऐसे ऑप्शंस दिए होते हैं जिसमें आप कंफ्यूज हो जाए. ऑलवेज ऐसे क्वेश्चंस दिए होंगे, आपको पता था सबसे पहले उस दिन मुझे क्या